Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to understand the articles used by accusative case. So let's start. First of all, let's revise the definite articles used by nominative case. We use der for masculine nouns, die for feminine nouns, das for neutral nouns and die for plural nouns. Now, let's understand the definite articles used by accusative case. We use den for masculine nouns, die for feminine nouns, das for neutral nouns, and die for plural nouns. Here we can see the article used by masculine noun is changed. It becomes den from there, and other articles are same. Now let's revise the indefinite articles used by nominative case. We use ein for masculine nouns, eine for feminine nouns, and ein for neutral nouns. Now let's understand the indefinite articles used by accusative case. We use einen for masculine nouns, eine for feminine nouns, and ein for neutral nouns. Here again we can see the change comes only in article used by masculine noun. It becomes einen from ein, and others are same. Okay, now let's see some examples for clear understanding. Der Hund, masculine noun. Das ist ein Hund. This is a dog. This is a nominative case. Now let's see accusative case. Ich sehe den Hund. I see the dog. Ich habe einen Hund. I have a dog. Die Katze, feminine noun. Das ist eine Katze. This is a cat. Nominative case. Now let's see accusative case. Ich sehe die Katze. I see the cat. Ich habe eine Katze. I have a cat. Der Apfel, masculine noun. Ich habe einen Apfel. I have an apple. Ich esse den Apfel. I eat the apple. Der Tee. Die Frau trinkt den Tee. The woman drinks the tea. Der Kaffee. Ich trinke einen Kaffee. I drink a coffee. Der Mann sieht den Hund. The man sees the dog. Der Mann isst den Apfel. The man eats the apple. Das Kind sieht den Mann. The child sees the man. Here you can see der Mann when it is in subjective position. It does not change its article, but when it comes in objective position, it changes its article. It changes from der to den. So that is all for today, and don't forget to give a closer look to these two tables. So thanks for watching.